Capital One Spark Miles. If you're a business owner or frequent traveler looking for a credit card that combines flexible travel rewards with powerful business features, the Capital One Spark Miles card might be exactly what you need. Today, we're going to break down everything about this card, how it works, its rewards, perks, fees, and tips for maximizing its value so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business and travel goals. What is the Capital One Spark Miles The Capital One Spark Miles is a business travel rewards card that lets you earn unlimited 2 miles per dollar on every purchase Unlike many other business cards that focus on categories like travel or dining, Spark Miles offers a simple, flat rate system which is perfect for business owners who want consistent rewards across all spending You won't believe how quickly these miles can add up. If your business spends $5,000 a month on expenses, that's 10,000 miles per month